Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ramzan Biology. So today my lecture is about the preparation of alkane. In previous lecture we studied about the properties of alkane, that what is alkane and its formulas. Today we talk about its preparation, that how we can gain the alkane, by which reaction after we can gain alkane. So actually alkane can be prepared by two ways. One is the addition reaction, second is the reduction of alkyl halide. So the addition reaction is a reaction in which addition of any element occur. It means that when we add an atom or a group of atom to another atom which is a combination of double or triple bond, it means that if we add this is a hydrogen atom, it to a atom like double bond which is alkene and like triple bond which is alkyne. So this is the reaction. After the addition of hydrogen to double bond and triple bond atoms, we can gain the alkane, which can be methane, ethane, propane, butane, a lot about. So, and the next is the reduction of alkyl halide. This is a reaction in which reduction of halogen occur and addition of hydrogen occur. Okay, so the reduction means removing. So this is a reaction in which the previous added halogen are I2, Cl2 and a lot about. These atoms are called iodine, chlorine and sulfur. These are called halogen. So in this process these atoms are removed from the alkyne and the addition of hydrogen occur. So these are removed and the hydrogen is added, from which we can gain the alkane. So the addition reaction can be occur in two steps. One is the hydrogenation of alkene. So the hydrogenation of alkene, if we talk about hydrogenation of alkene, so it occur like hydrogenation of alkene. So if you take an alkene like double bond and CH2, this is example of ethene. So when we take an ethene, a alkene, and add hydrogen with it, H2, so in the product we will gain, this will react with this and this will react with this. So the addition of hydrogen atom will break the double bond between the carbon and will give us single bond. This will react with this, so it give us CH3, 2 and 1, so 3 plus, and this CH3 with the not like this, like this, H3C with single bond with the CH3. So this give us ethane. So we can gain by the hydrogenation process of alkane, which is we took their ethene, which have double bond between the carbon atom CH2 and CH2, so give us C2H4, it is ethene plus H2. So when we mix with H2 with the ethene, so it gives us the hydrogen break the double bond between the carbon and it gives us single bond by addition of hydrogen with this CH2 and this CH2. So this also become CH3 and this also becomes CH3 with a single bond, so we got the ethane. So on this process we can gain the alkane and we can gain the propane also, and this process butane, pentane, and so on we can gain by this process from alkene. The next, if you talk about the hydrogenation process of alkyne, so in it this process is completed in two steps: hydrogenation of alkyne. So in the hydrogenation of alkyne, it occurs in two steps. If you take one alkyne is like this, with a triple bond, so in the addition of so this is the first step. In the first step, we took a alkyne, which is this example of ethine. This example of ethine. So we took a ethine and then add two hydrogen with it. So this hydrogen react with this, and this react with this. So in the product, it gave us the hydrogen break the one bond from it, and the product it gave us H2C with the double bond of CH2, which is an example of ethene. So in the first step of hydrogenation of alkyne, we took one ethine and added two hydrogen with it, which gave us the double bond between the carbon of ethene. While in the second step, we will take another one. In the second step, if we take that permit ethene, so in the second step, H2C with a double bond CH2 plus hydrogen. So in this is the bond form. There is the bond form. So in the product, this will react with this one, and this will react with this one. So in the product, it will give us H3C with single bond of CH3, which is an example of ethane. So it gave us ethane. So by the process of hydrogenation of alkyne, it occurs in two steps. From one step of the alkyne, we get alkene, and the second step we again take the alkene and add again the hydrogen, and which give us the single covalent bond between the hydrogen and the 6 hydrogen between the carbon and 6 hydrogen, and this way it give us ethane. So by the process of addition, we get alkane by two processes: hydrogenation of alkene and hydrogenation of the next alkyne. So close. Next we will talk about the reduction of halide. The next is the process for the formation of alkane is the reduction of alkyl halide. It means that when we take a atom in a formula and we remove alkyl or the halogen atom from atom and add hydrogen with it. So you can see here, this R show, and this X and this 2H, so it give us R. This R show the alkyl group, this X show the functional group plus 2H, and then again give R and with the H bond and with the H with the X bond. So this can be mentioned by this. So if you take an alkyl group like CH3 is the alkyl group of CH4. When we remove a hydrogen from CH4, so it gives us CH3. Can watch my previous video of alkyl. Okay, so this made a bond with the functional group of iodine, so this is called methyl iodide. This is called methyl iodide. So it gives us methyl iodide. When we add 2 hydrogen with it, plus 2, this is a bond. So this hydrogen react with this one, and this react with this one. So and the product it gives us, one is the alkyl group. So and the alkyl group CH3 with the bond of hydrogen, plus the next one is the hydrogen bond with the iodine. So it gives us, this is called methane, and this is called hydrogen iodide. Now when we added 2 hydrogen with the methyl iodide, so it gives us methane. This is called CH4. CH4 is a methane. So CH3 converted into CH4, which is a methane, and methane is alkane. Then we got the alkane on this way, and we removed the halogen group. So you can see here we removed the halogen group from here. Before the halogen group was bonded with this H3, but now under the reduction of alkyl halide, we removed the halide iodide from here, and we get pure alkane. So this was about the preparation of alkane, that how alkane are formed. So alkane are formed by 2 reactions, addition reaction and reduction reaction. In addition, we add hydrogen atom to that formula, and then give us by the double bond and triple bond, then convert it into single bond lastly, and give us alkane. By the reduction reaction, we reduce an alkyl halide from the formula here, from the alkyl group, and then add hydrogen to it and give us the pure alkane. So this was about the preparation of alkane, and if you have any doubt, any question in this, so you can mention in the comment, and please subscribe and share my lecture for next video. See you next time.